Her collar. There you go. Oh. Oh.
Good girl, mama. June June. She's the birthday girl. She is the birthday girl. Mm-hmm. We're gonna head down to a local dog beach and just let her run around for her birthday and let her play with her balls. She's obsessive over her balls, so you guys should like this if there's any dog lovers on the channel, but if there's not, just watch for your boy. And Uzi doesn't have to stay here because he is not the birthday boy. You're not the birthday boy, Uzi. So we're going to go to the beach with little June June, let her run around for her birthday because she loves doing that. She's a very hyper dog, so she never runs. She's hyper. She never runs out of energy. She's a workhorse. That's what they're bred for. Hunting. Mm-hmm. Hunting. You guys ready to go? You ready to go, June June? You ready to go to the beach, Mama? Yeah?
She's like, open the car.
Mm-hmm.
Like she wants to go.
Alright. To the beach we go.
Pretty out here.
Beach time. I just drove my 240 down a sand road. It actually wasn't that bad. I thought I wasn't going to be able to make it, but look at this little sand buggy. Is she ready?
No, I don't think.
Look at the water, Mama.
Oh, my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we make it. Baby, so I'm crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop, got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking with you. I know it, you know it, we
but she's having a lot of fun throwing the ball back and forth.
My pants are so slow.
Oh my god.
She's so. Ready,
She's
Mama?
having fun with her ball.
Ready? Video.
Ready? Go. We're done. We're done, Mama. A lot of fun over here. Playing in the water and the sand. We're all sandied up now. All sand up.
Come on.
Got too much sand. Now I gotta knock all this sand off before we get into the car. Throw up drinking all that salt water.
Okay. I guess we can dry her. One to dry and one to sit on for her. Get under her collar. There you go.
We just made it back home. Right there, sneak peek of the wheels. Kind of see him there in the background. But we had a good beach day with little June for her birthday, didn't we, babe? Babe?
Huh?
Our beach day was good?
Yeah.
With June?
Mm-hmm.
June? Hey! Mama, did you enjoy your beach day? Yes, you did. Yes, she did. And she had a little photo shoot with Mommy. Yup. Uzi will be on the next beach day because today was just for her. It was for her birthday, so. But, yeah, update, knock on wood. My car has been running pretty good. I just need to do, like, the tires are losing air. But that's just because I need new tires on them because I was wearing them out really bad before. But when I get these new wheels on, we'll get an alignment, and they already have pretty much brand new Achilles tires on them. So, yep. And tonight won't be a part of this vlog, but you'll see. Yeah, so I'm gonna just be putting out some good videos this week. I just realized, you know, tonight we're doing stuff with the Mini. Hopefully, every time I say that, it doesn't happen, but tonight we're doing stuff with the Mini. Tell them goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
That's not fair. I have to do it.
See you guys. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You already know. And we out here. Do it again. Do it again.